This is Candyland.
Green. Can I see that?
Green. Yellow. Oh, I got a crappy one. Here, keep your cards. I just want to be able to keep
Orange.
them. We'll never know, will we?
I keep getting good ones.
You too. 2 yellows.
Ooh.
My person can hop. He's like, wah!
1 yellow.
Oh, that's next to me.
Look, they're holding hands. Kind of.
High five. Hold on. Okay, alright. It's my turn, isn't it? Hey, you're gonna get a purple. Green. Wait, oh,
Purple.
oh, I didn't show them my card. That was mine. Blue. How many people do you actually think will sit here and watch this whole thing?
Yellow.
It's too high.
Yellow, 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 yellow. Oh, that sucked.
2 blues. One, 2. And I wanted the gumdrop pass.
2 purples.
Ah! This is what's going on. Oh, I got the ice cream cone.
Wouldn't it have been funny if you got like the gingerbread man?
It would have sucked. I get to go all the way here. Brittany's turn. Dun 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 dun.
Purple.
Purple. Blue. I'm going the right way, right? Okay.
2 yellows.
Orange.
Orange. Gators. 2.
Yellow. I almost ordered a pair of Gators sweatpants yesterday from Victoria's Secret. They have like a whole bunch of university stuff.
Peanut.
Peanut. Peanut's up here. Brady got a peanut. Blue. Second time.
Candy cane.
Oh, that's here. Beep, 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 beep. 2 greens. 1, 2.
2 oranges. Not that it really matters because I'm all the way back here and I'm gonna lose because this game is rigged.
Oh, is it rigged?
Yes.
I can't see there. That's their glare. 1 red. Oh my god, I keep doing that.
Green.
Purple. Lollipop. My eyes are doing that whole let's water thing. Green. I might still get a gingerbread man.
2 purple.
Wouldn't it have been funny if you just pulled out the gingerbread man?
I would have shot myself in the face.
Blue. Check.
Yellow.
Two orange. on Candyland.